Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to lock your profile on the IMO app so that only your contacts can see your personal information. If you value privacy and want to keep your profile secure from unknown users, let's begin the steps. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, you will see your profile name at the top of the page. Click on your profile name to open the profile settings. Then scroll down and click on the Edit button at the bottom of your profile page. After that, look for Privacy Settings and tap on it. In the Privacy menu, you will see the option to lock your profile. Click on Lock Profile and then turn on the feature. When your profile is locked, your personal information, such as your photo, status, and contact details will only be visible to your IMO contacts. Other users who are not in your contacts list will only be able to see your username. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.